Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve printing error code 0x0000070c in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this error code 0x0000070c in Windows is a common issue that prevents user from completing print jobs, often resulting in a queued or installed print task. The primary cause of the error code 0x0000070c error seems to be conflicts with the recent security updates to the Print Spooler service, which inadvertently created compatibility issues with a certain network printers. Also with corrupted Print Spooler settings, outdated printer devices, and problematic registry entries related to the printer configurations. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So I recommend to restart the Print Spooler service. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So, once na-open mo na tong services and services local, so dito lang sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Print Spooler. Okay, so kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then hanapin mo lang dito yung Print Spooler. So, ang gagawin natin dito is to restart. Alright, so i-select mo lang yan and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung restart. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung restart process. And once na-complete na siya, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-double click. And then dito sa kanyang properties, so dito lang sa startup type, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung automatic. And then dito sa running, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung stop and then wait natin. So dito sa service status, i-click mo lang dito yung start and wait natin ulit. And then i-click mo lang dito sa baba yung apply and then yung okay. Alright, in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to update or reinstall printer driver. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung device manager and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung print queue and then next step, so i-select mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand and then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-update itong kanyang driver. Alright, so select mo lang dito yung ating printer, so click mo lang yan. Select and right click and then next step i-click mo lang dito yung update a driver and then may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. So select ka lang dito sa dalawa and then itap mo lang tong search automatically and wait natin. So makikita mo na dito na the best drivers for your device are already installed, right? So, after dito sa device manager, and next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the printer troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa troubleshoot and under dito sa options, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung printer. At dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung run. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, wait natin. And madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So, ang gagawin natin dito is to follow lang yung step-by-step procedure. and method na pwede natin gawin para ma-fix yung problem. So nandito lahat yung complete details mga kaibigan kung ano yung gagawin natin. So once na complete mo na dito sa help and support, and then next step na ating gagawin ay kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, so dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang ditong i-click yung restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to resolve or how to fix printer error code 0x0000070c in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.